Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Slotomania application crashing. If you are playing Slotomania on your Android or iOS device, and if the app keeps crashing, freezing or closing unexpectedly, then here is a quick fix for that. First of all, make sure that you restart the Slotomania application. Force close the Slotomania app and reopen it again, and after you do that, the app might fix minor temporary glitches. The next thing you want to do is to make sure to check your internet connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi or cellular data and just make sure you have the stable internet connection. After you make sure of that, the next thing you want to do is to clear your Slotomania cache. Open up your device's settings app on your Android device and scroll down and tap on apps. Inside the app list, look for Slotomania and tap on it. In the app info section, look for clear data at the bottom right, and in the pop-up, click on clear cache. Click OK in the pop-up to clear your cache from Slotomania app. Now, go back to the Slotomania application and launch it on. If you are using iOS device, then try force closing your Slotomania app to clear the cache. Now, after you open up the application, check if the problem still persists. If it still does, then the next thing you want to do is to check for the Slotomania app update. Open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and in the search bar type in Slotomania. Within the search result, look for the Slotomania game and tap on it. In the info section, check if there is an update button available. If there is one, tap on Update immediately to download the latest update of Slotomania application. After updating the application, you might be able to fix the issue. Launch open the game again and check if that works. If that still doesn't work or if the crashing continues, then delete the Slotomania app from your device and reinstall it again, and after you do that, log back in to restore your progress, and that might help with the app crash issue. Some extra tips: try closing other apps while running Slotomania on your device. Make sure that your device has enough storage space and avoid using any VPNs while playing Slotomania. If you keep these steps in mind, Slotomania crashing issues will be solved. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.